Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about crypto, and we also talk about other business ventures that could generate passive income. Okay, well, I saw this article the other day, and it says the Fed raises interest rates half a point to its highest level in 15 years. Okay, so what does this mean? High interest rates have been impacting tech stocks. So if you're in tech stocks, it's not a good deal. And it says here, along with the increase came an indication from the Fed officials expect to keep rates higher through the next year with no reduction until 2024. So this was the comments last week from Jerome Powell. They will continue to raise rates, and the Federal Reserve Board have decided to do that. Also, this is the government's way of increasing unemployment. Since there will be no cheap money out there, many companies will decide to cut back and will only invest in things that they know is making them money right now. So a lot of companies like Google and Amazon that invest in the future, because those companies don't realize profits right now outside of their current products and services, for all those future projects, they're getting hit tremendously. And so it's not safe. I looked at this year in my portfolio really quickly. I started off in January with 63,000, and today the portfolio is down to 28,000 due to all the Feds increasing the interest rates. Since most of my portfolio is made up of tech stocks, I'm down over 50%, pretty much all through the year. Every time the Fed raised interest rates, the portfolio would take a rise and then it would fall. It would take a rise and then it would fall. And so this is the complete intention of the Fed to get the quote bad money out the market and get inflation down, right? All right, so let's take a quick look at some interesting stocks for today. The top stocks for the day, really quickly, just to show you how bad it's been. ConocoPhillips was flat today, but it has passed my Tesla. So for annual basis, COP is up over 171%, while my Tesla stock is up over only 164%. So Tesla has always been in my portfolio up over 400%, and has lost over 200% of its value this year. And we do know, since Elon Musk is trying to run Twitter, he has lost focus on Tesla and also caused a lot of Tesla investors to sell their shares in the company. Okay, so they're down over 200% this year, and pretty much I would be exiting soon too, but I think I'll hold for the long term. So let's get to those top stocks. Let's take a quick look for the day. We did have some stocks rally late, such as Nike, but overall, pretty bad day. Okay, SOFI was one of the top stocks at 4.29% for a gain of $32. And Nike was up today over 12% after a good earnings call. But pretty much they've lost a lot for the year. So if we look at the 6-month chart, or let's look at the 1-year chart. Earlier in the year, Nike came in at about $170, and now they are trading around $100. So pretty much Nike has lost over 60% this year too as well. So not a good look for Nike, but again, on a good earnings call, they did post 12.92% for the day. Also, we did have COP, ConocoPhillips did rise today, 2%. But pretty much in this economy, or in this current stock market, with the Fed rate keep rising, and the Fed, as mentioned in this article here, the Fed is indicating the officials expect to keep raising rates higher through until 2024. Expect the tech stocks to completely crash even further. I did post this on my community. Growth stocks continue to crash. Stocks like Tesla down over 5%, while dividend stocks like COP, NUE or Nucor are up today 2%. Nucor up 2% as well. And while other stocks like Tesla, for another down day of being down over 5% for a total of $400 something. Ford being down $40. Nvidia being down 5.78%. And as you can see here, a dividend stock like Innovative Properties is only down $5, as well as One Main Financial, which is another dividend stock, is only down $13.41. So pretty much, if you stay with the tech stocks this year, you're going to continue to lose money. I think I lost over 50% again of my portfolio. A lot of it due to Tesla, but pretty much the only stocks that were able to hold on and prove that they have current revenue for each quarter is stocks like COP, ConocoPhillips, Nucor, and other stocks that actually have tangible profits and tangible goods and services that they're selling every quarter, and they can show on the earnings call. Okay. Some other safe places to put your money during this tumultuous time of 2022 and into 2023. As you can see here, another Bitcoin miner, Core Scientific, is filing bankruptcy. This is about the fourth company this year related to Bitcoin filing bankruptcy. But pretty much anything that's high risk or risk on is being hit by this Fed continue to raise rates in the next year or two as well. All right, some other ETFs, Vanguard, we talked about this VOO, is down only 20% considering most tech stocks are down 50%, but VOO is a good place, which is a mixture of stocks, a good place to put with your top S&P 500 companies, a good place to put your money, but does not pay a dividend, okay? Also, another great place is JEPI, JP Morgan's Equity Premium ETF. It's, again, collection of stocks and does pay, I think, a dividend, but pretty much this is pretty steady, only down 13%, while you have most tech stocks down over 50% this year. So again, best place to put your money is in the ETFs like JEPI, JEPI, or VOO, another ETF, a collection of stocks. While we go through this tumultuous time with the Fed, which is stated here has raised a 0.5 point this last week, the highest in 15 years that we've seen. And I think that's about it in my top stocks group. Again, I have the comparison of dividend stocks, again, holding on for the day, up over 2%, ConocoPhillips, Nucor, up 2.28%, while another Tesla stock, growth stock, that does not pay dividends is down over $300. And let's take a quick look at real time, what Tesla was down again for that. Again, Tesla was down today 7%, as Elon Musk is claiming he's out looking for a CEO for Twitter. The stock is still precipitously losing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the last month. And also you've got right behind it Ford, down only 1%. And also, let's see who else we got here. Yeah, like I said, Prospect Capital, good company, dividend paying stock, actually pays every month. They're only down 1.53%. But the highest growth of it all, Tesla being the #1 growth stock in the last 2 years, is down over 50% this year, and even down further since the split. And you see that in Amazon as well, is down as well this year too. So not a good look for tech. But again, this has a lot to do with the Fed raising rates in its highest form in over 15 years. So that's my portfolio update for the day. Again, the top stock of the day, SOFI. SOFI was up 4.29%, but Nike, after a good earnings call, was up 12%. But again, they're up 12%, but they gave up over 60% during the last year. So I don't know who they're fooling, but up 12% and you're down 50%, you're still losing. So that's my update for today. I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. And if you'd like to get started in your investment journey, please use my Robinhood link below. Everybody have a good night.